Okay, this is going to be round 2 of the fuel tank for the F-150. So I went and bought some more clamps. This is the fuel return line I'm using. Small little hose. It's all you need for the line. But the problem is, you need clamps this small, which is actually not too bad of an idea. These actually work pretty good. They'll last a while. At least the ones on this truck lasted up until now, which has been 34 years. These were 35 cents a piece at Ace Hardware, and I bought 20 of them, so I have enough clamps for about 3 of these trucks, I think. Yeah, you can get this kit, the ring and gasket, for like 10 bucks at AutoZone. But yeah, I got this on there. It's real not going nowhere, and this thing is on there good. I mean, freaking JB Weld, that stuff, it just turns into a rock. So that is on there good. So that should not leak. It should be real nice and tight. And I've sealed this up. That was just a mistake, so next time I'll just modify the sending unit. I think that's what I'm going to do for the rear one. I have a piece of Honda hose for the vent. Even this has had diesel in it. Look at that. It hasn't even eaten it. It's not even rubbing off on my fingers. That's good stuff. This Honda hose is off of an 87 Civic. Look at this stuff. It's brand new. Adam's Chevy S10. It's a 91, and his hoses are talcum powder. My record button on my camera sticks now, so I have to use the screen. I have the tank loosely into place. Clamps are tightened down. Hoses are on, vents plugged in. Got the filler neck attached and clamped down. So we're going to bring this up so we're not tripping over it. We're going to put a little bit of diesel in it. I have the tank is in there loosely because, say we have a leak, I will be able to bring that tank down a little bit, and it gives me enough room to work with the clamps and stuff. So I'm going to put some diesel in it, and I'm going to start priming the system and see if it'll get rid of the air, and we'll see how it runs on this. And then if we have some leaks, then we'll figure out what to do. Either different tighter clamps. You know, if it comes down to that, that's what we'll do. Okie dokie, I put a whole 5 gallons in. Check for leaks. Let's see, I can't see under here. Is that a wet spot? We'll check our clamps. I don't see any drippage. This is why we're putting gas in it. Or diesel, sorry. It's taking me a while to get used to the word diesel. Diesel weasel. Okay, so when you go to prime your system, you need to make sure, well, you'll find out, this is simple. If your engine is on a certain position, this will not pump. But right now it's on a position where it will pump. And just do this for like 5 minutes. Just get all that air out. It feels kind of vague right now. It'll stiffen up. Oh, I think that's got it right there. I'm just gonna keep doing it. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Check your hoses while you're doing this. Whatever you can see. Oh yeah, I can hear air going through it. There we go. It's getting real firm now. I want to keep doing this until you don't hear that air bubbles anymore. But while you're doing this, just look at your lines, look for any drippage. That's still pretty dry. This is all dry here. Still need to do something about this end here. I think I might actually change that fitting out like I said I was going to do. Okay, that might have it right there. Now you keep cardboard on your frame rail and check for drips. I think we might be good. Let's see if it'll start. I'm nervous. Okay, let's see. Are we alive? Let's see, does it show it has fuel? Oh. We got a little bit. Wanna see if it'll start? Wow, that throttle is real responsive. We got a little bit of fuel. About 6 gallons is a quarter tank. Oh yeah. This engine will shake your truck. That's why they say Cummins, Ford makes it, Cummins shakes it. Yeah! Turbo whistle! It's not smoking today, it's good. Sounds like a baby 6BT. I know in the camera it looks like my truck is jello, but it's not jello. Woo-wee! Yeah, seal up the firewall or something. Gotten like remotely close to being warm yet. No drips so far. Let's check a restart. I haven't really given it any time, but let's just try it out. It's a happy motor. happy with that. Are you guys happy with that?